So basically all this is trash. That's great. Let's go. Let's get out of that. See, git status. Okay. Git add dash all. This was all the changes I made. Just making sure here. Yeah. Git commit pre-presentation to bug hunt. All right. And I'll push all that straight to master. Wait. Oh, they made changes. I forgot about that. Cool. Okay. So I will push all of that because I can do that. Now we will start a new branch. It will be called V2. And the first thing we're going to do in V2 is remove a bunch of stuff. Don't need 403. Don't need the API. Don't need components or helpers or index or JavaScript or package.json or package block.json or pages or parts or styles or vendors. I don't need any of y'all, right? Yeah, nope, don't need any of that. No going back now. Let's check out what we got left. So we killed everything. Automatic upload. Thank you, PHP Storm. Boom, that's it. So I got some database scripts. I have some assets, just like some diagrams and stuff for class that we had to have. A README, HT access. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. I don't think I need this at all anymore. We're gonna delete this too. Git ignore, that can stay the same. That's fine. License, README, yada yada yada. I'm gonna have to update all this with new docs on how to like do development on this architecture here. But the architecture is gonna be server client. Server client architecture. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now that we read all the docs, it is time to go back to the docs and get started. Okay, so I could install with Composer. I don't want to do that though, so I'm going to do the manual one. Download and extract the Slim framework. Well, if you'd let me. I don't see a download link, do you? Okay, no, I think so. Slim PHP download. Probably just go to GitHub. Yeah, here we go. Now I need to make sure. Oh, please tell me. Okay, they have version 2. Good. Okay. Now I need. Yeah. Wait, what? Why do they have a? What's in here? Oh, cool. That's what I need too. Actually, I'll just download it. Let's save it to server side, Corsair, HCEF. Let's put it in the server, right? Let me think about this. When you reach out to the blank route here, the client should be displayed, which I'll do with just like an index.php. And then you'll need to reach out to /API for everything else to work. To get like the API endpoints, you'll need to reach out to /API. And I'll just load the statically built view application. Yeah. Yep. So I'll save this to the server. That's fine. All right. Yeah. Reveal yourself in Finder. Here it is. Extract it. All right. Download and extract into your project directory. Require it in your application's index.php file. You'll also need to register the autoloader. So let's do that. Index.php. Perfect. And let's do our favorite things as developers. And let's copy some code. Please tell me that works. Nope. Why is that named that? Should I keep it named that? No. There we go. I'm sure they've got like versioning in here somewhere or something. Probably in here. Nope, these are just composer requirements. 5.3. Thank you. Thank you for keeping up an outdated library that nobody needs anymore. I need it. I need it anymore. I don't know why I thought it'd be in there. They do not have the version here anywhere. But that is fine. Okay, we don't need slim anymore. Okay. Oh, it can't find slim.php? What? Oh. What? Yeah, no, I want to keep that in a folder. I don't want that in the root of my directory. Okay, there we go. I registered their autoloader. Let's create a new app, then do that, then do that. I don't think I need to copy that. I can do this. I can do this. I can do it. I can. I forgot the syntax already. It's slim/slim, isn't it? Yes. App get my favorite ping pong. Pong. And the weird thing is that they make you do that. Like they should just put that in the destructor of the slim application, so I don't have to say run. I'm not passing anything into run, so it's really silly to me. Can you pass things into run? No, you can't. So like, why don't they just do this in the destructor? They don't have a destructor. Ugh, so weird. Okay. Postman time. We could also just test it here. Oh, I need to run it though. I can do that. Oh, but I need an index.php here in my root. Index.php. And I'll need to call this. Yeah, I need to call this /API if that's what I want to use as my route, which is fine. And this would just right, so this will later serve the Vue app from like, it'll be something like require client /dist/index.html, something like that. Yeah. But for now, I need, where's the API? Here it is. This, where'd it go? There it is. Let me copy this to the API. That way it'll let me do rewrite rules. Okay, now I need to run it. So PHP, oh my gosh. What's the syntax here? Is it -s for serve? That's not it, is it? I feel stupid. PHP serve index.php. It's gonna want me to install MAMP and all that shit. Oh no, I almost had it. Do I have to tell it localhost in the port every time? Isn't the default? Built-in web server, yes, thank you. I'm glad that it didn't like just point me right at MAMP and all that. Like, cause you don't need that. You just do this. What is this? Oh, you can specify a root directory? But I need my root to be my root directory, so I'm fine. Alright. I was close. It's a capital S. And I have to say localhost 8080. Oh, look at that. It works. Okay, so this is HCEF. Here's ping. It's not on 3000, it's on 8080. send. Boom, that's what we got. Which makes sense because later in the yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Oh, because ping is not a thing. But if I do API/ping, please work, please work, please work. Yes. Okay. Oops. Here. Okay, so the root will serve up this. And let me do something here. Let me add test.php. You should not be able to see this. Okay. And I'm going to be able to here. Okay, so I got it, but now I want to block it with what I was doing before to make sure you only see index.php. So I can go just grab that from GitHub. You know what? I don't think I will ever have anything except for index.php. So I don't need that. I don't have anything like I really need to protect. I mean, if you reached out to API/index.php, that's just going to be a 404 because I don't have a blank route to find. But if I did have a blank route to find, let's go more standard here. I'm so used to typing hello world that when I type hello, I end it with a W. That's how I spell hello now. Developer struggles. Hello world. Yeah, so now I can't do this, can I? No, that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. I bet I could do this though. No. Oh, I thought it would just interpret that as like a route parameter or something. I wonder if I could do that. Like, can I do file here and then take in file, echo file. Oops. No, I can't. But if I take out the .php, it'll work. Guys, who was staring at me doing this like an idiot and didn't say anything? Come on. Come on. I guess let's just see if this works. That doesn't work? I'm astounded. I thought that would work. Let's just do index. Okay, yeah, so that works. Index pong. Oh, and there's a... Oh, that's the URL form encoded body. Okay, so perfect. So we can test our API here. API/ping. I'm going to save that. Don't need that at all. Let's get rid of that. Parameters, none. Send. Oh, not found. That's because I changed it. Okay. Now, I would say we need to test that pass thing out, but we figured out how that works. They save all the echoes you do to a buffer, and then they put that together at the end. So, yeah, not a problem. If you want kind of a rundown on like how this works, basically when you say app.get, I'm going to say dot, even though it's an arrow. Just because PHP is stupid doesn't mean I am. So when you say app.get, what you're doing is you're saying, okay, add to the get associated array or dictionary or whatever. Add something with the key of /ping and map it to a function that does this. And then when you hit run, it goes through all of those keys in all the different dictionaries, or it probably matches. No, it has to figure out what the request is, get the request type is, sorry, it has to figure out what the request type is, get the appropriate dictionary of all the key, which are routes, and values, which are functions, handlers, and it has to call the right function. And this entire application gets instantiated, built, run, which run just means parse out the request and do the right thing according to this declarative syntax of what you want. And then it gets destroyed every single time you make a request. So here we go. I'm going to make a request. Oops, it didn't even work. Too few arguments. Oh, yeah, because I changed that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, now we're going to run it. Do I need to save? Okay, here we go. All right, so run, create, build, run, destroy. Run, create, build, run, destroy. I don't know if the performance because of that is bad. It feels like on my head it would be. With like a JavaScript with Node.js, it sits there and listens. I don't know the ins and outs of how all that works, but it seems like that's better. But tell me if it's not. It might not be. I don't know. But anyways, let's this is not a full application, believe it or not. So let's start building a full application.